I received my Shengshou 3x3 version 3 Rubik's Cube, Speed Cube. I ordered it on June 17th and received it today, June 20th, 2014. So let's take a look. All right, some wrapping, okay. And here it is. Oops. Take this off. Oops, this little sticker here. Oops. All right, well, never mind. All right, and that's what it looks like. Let's open it up. Okay, see that from China, and here it is. There it is, version 3. Very smooth. Feels really smooth. Like that a lot. Okay. Colors, the yellow I notice is a little dull, but other than that, it feels really good. So I should have a lot of fun with this one. Okay. And here's just some instructions. Okay. All in Chinese, of course. But since I know how to solve a 3x3, the Revenge, and the Professor, I won't need these. Okay. So thanks for watching, and take care.